Dumelang Lindlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Lords, I had to come and report this one. Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Guys, the truth is finally out. So Ukwenzo, Unomalanga proposed that him and her rather, sorry, hey boy, she, what, okay, yeah, her and Kwenzo must go away, right, as per the suggestion Gatrina, excuse me. So okay, asati, no, I'm not going to entertain that. We need for support. We cannot pour from empty cups. Wara. Support this, support that. All right. I ukwenzo abona ukuthi akayenzele uNomalanga something. Ugayi vele akhiphe uNomalanga. Makathi ukhiphe uNomalanga ihambe kahle idate hey ize ibalide kuphi ku shopping uNomalanga ashophe on Kwenzo's expense. Hayi ukwenza makafake izinto ebhuthini. The stupid uNomalanga did not throw away that fake pregnancy bam thingy. Athi ukwenzo Nomalanga, what is this? Nomalanga yini le? Nomalanga yini le? Yini? Aishem Nomalanga is busted, guys. What will happen to the marriage? We are yet to know. I pray Uguchi Ukwenzo does not become stupid enough to believe whatever lies that Banlo Ugrina no Nomalanga are gonna come up with. But yeah, the truth is out. We are free from the whole storyline that led us nowhere. This is your girl, Disebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.